class. First, let me introduce myself. Hi, my name is Sokha Phanith, study in Lab 4, Group 2 at Betty International School, Campus 6 near Odyssey. Today, I came here to summarize the story about the dog and the bone. So, let's get started. Once upon a time, in a alleyway in the town lived a mangy dog. He was a stray dog. One day he passed by the butcher shop and he saw chicken, ham, and a long chain of sausages. So he decided to walk around the shop. When the butcher see him, he felt very sorry for the dog, and he went back to the shop and take a nice big bone for him. The dog was very pleased and take the bone to eat in the woods. In the way to the wood, he needed to cross a river. While walking on the bridge, he could see his own reflection, and he think that his own reflection is another dog, and he didn't want to share his bone with another dog. After that, his bone fell into the water. So the dog realized that it was his own reflection. Finally, the moral of the story is don't be greedy, be honest, try to share something with another. Thank you, teachers, and all for the listening.